Waking up the street, I just want you all to hear it. Waking up the street, I just want you all to hear it.
I like to move real close after waking up, mesmerized by your breathing, how you're holding on. Remember the day we first met and the love we found, dancing in the darkness, I won't let you run. In your arms I can't get close enough, when you're around I get butterflies that never stop. And I know that you're the only one, I should give you credit, waiting by the phone. I miss you but this time I know the feeling. You want me and I'm happy to be waiting. When the light is out, nowhere to be found, I'll just close the door and go for a closer run.
Hey you guys, so I'm starting off this video showing you all how I prepare my hair underneath my wigs, and I don't do anything special. As you can see, I have my hair gelled all the way back. It's still kind of wet, so that's what you guys are seeing at the top of the cap. So that's pretty much all I do. I gel it back and I put it in a ponytail and I throw a cap on, and there you go. So this is the wig that I received. It is from a company called EayonHair.com. It did come via DHL, which took about 2 days shipping, so that's a plus. You do get a couple of goodies in the box. I did get a card with their Instagram, social media, and everything else on it. I did get a wig cap, and I also received an elastic band, but I didn't have to use it. And this is the box that the wig came in. It does have tissue paper wrapped around it with their logo on it, which is a plus. They really put a lot of effort into this wig and the packaging, so I appreciate that. So this is the plastic bag that the wig came in. Now this is a 360 wig. I will have all of the specs down below in the description box, so please be sure to check there. It did have the protective net and the tissue paper to hold the shape of the wig. Again, this is a 360. It does come with a tag with more information on the tag on how to take care of it, etc. So this wig does have adjustable straps. It also came with 3 combs in the front, which I did not have to use, 1 comb in the back, and again, adjustable straps. So what you want to do, you guys, and I tell you this all the time, well, I used to tell you all the time, is you want to try your wig on before you cut the lace, because you just never know if it will fit right. Usually you don't have that problem when you're dealing with 360s because they have the adjustable straps on them. But yeah, I definitely wanted to just double check and make sure that the wig fit right, you know, and that's what you guys see me doing now. Just trying it on without cutting the lace, and I absolutely love it. So yeah, again, this is a 360, so you can put it up in a ponytail. You can pretty much do whatever you want, and it's also a full lace wig, so you can part it any way you like. So here I'm just trying the wig on again without combs, like I said. So I wasn't planning on adhering this wig to my head, but in order for it not to fly off my head, I went ahead and used my Got to Be Glue off camera. I used the gel and I also used the freeze spray, and yeah, you guys are going to see how it looks after I adhere it to my head in the next clip.
I'm growing old, but I need you to deal with my sorrow. Just a memory, just a broken frame, and I know that I have no one else to blame. And I know that I have no one else to blame. Did you make it? Did you break free? Did you manage to be who you wanna be? Maybe somewhere you think about me too. Wonder where
So that is pretty much it for this video, you guys. I did not receive any type of tangling or shedding with this wig. The only thing that I can say is it doesn't really hold a tight curl. I think if you wanted a tighter curl, then you should put the heat up to about 430. I believe I have mine on 390. So, you know, the curls dropped by the time I was done. But I absolutely love the wig. It's one of my favorite wigs so far. It's very lightweight and I absolutely love the color. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I'll talk to you all later. Thanks for watching. Bye.